Is Relay Bank a private bank? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a bank that is focused on your individual needs and wants? A bank that is not just interested in making money, but in helping you achieve your financial goals? Well, if you're looking for a bank that is different from the traditional big banks, then you might want to consider Relay Bank. Relay Bank is a new type of bank that is designed to be more personal and customer-focused. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Relay Bank and see if it's the right bank for you. What is Relay Bank? Relay Bank is a digital bank that is focused on providing its customers with a personalized banking experience. The bank was founded in 2021 and is based in the United States. What are the benefits of using Relay Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Relay Bank, including no monthly fees. Relay Bank does not charge any monthly fees for its checking or savings accounts. High interest rates. Relay Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in the country. No overdraft fees. Relay Bank does not charge any overdraft fees. Free ATM withdrawals. Relay Bank customers can withdraw money from any ATM in the world for free. 24/7 customer support. Relay Bank offers 24/7 customer support. Personalized banking experience. Relay Bank is committed to providing its customers with a personalized banking experience. Is Relay Bank a private bank? No, Relay Bank is not a private bank. It is a publicly traded company. How does Relay Bank make money? Relay Bank makes money by charging fees for certain services, such as credit card processing and ATM withdrawals. The bank also earns interest income on its loans and investments. Is Relay Bank safe? Yes, Relay Bank is a safe bank. It is insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, up to $250,000 per depositor. Is Relay Bank right for you? Relay Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a personalized banking experience with no monthly fees and high interest rates. However, it is important to note that Relay Bank does not have any physical branches, so you will need to do all of your banking online or over the phone. Relay Bank is a new type of bank that is designed to be more personal and customer-focused. If you're looking for a bank that is different from the traditional big banks, then you might want to consider Relay Bank. If you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank, you can visit their website or call them at 1-800-555-1212. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Relay Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.